Hi, I'm Tim. I'm the Manager for Tourism Events at Eurobodalla Shire Council. We've put together a 10-week training program for all of our businesses to be able to go from learning how to set up an Australian tourism data warehouse listing through to how to start a Facebook page or an Instagram page, all the way through to how to set up an e-commerce store. And then with those modules, I'll be sitting on a Zoom session every day at 10 a.m. and giving you the opportunity to ask any questions if you get stuck, and then we'll be able to move throughout the weeks. We would love to hear if you've got any other ideas on what other sessions we could run to help you out. And we also know that not everyone's used Zoom before, so if you get stuck or you're not quite sure on how to use it, we've put together a one-pager, and also feel free to email or call as you would normally, and we can talk you through it over the phone. So we look forward to seeing you on Zoom soon, and keep connected, and now's the time for us to grow as an industry and as a community.